Previously on our Ilocos adventure. So we're done with the animals and we're now here at the place where they do most of the potteries here at the north. We're going inside to check it out. Okay. Here in Ilocos, there are a lot of options for those who are into pottery products. Here in Pagburnayan, Vigan, Ilocos. There's also a demonstration on how they are made. They start off with a small amount of clay placed on top of a manually spinned platform. Once the right speed of rotation is achieved, they then start to slightly water the clay and mold it into shape. Once finished, it is then dried out and cooked to become the jars that we all know of. There's no fee for the demo, but it is just right to give them tips. You may also try it yourself and buy the jar you made for 250 pesos. Of course, our visit to Ilocos will not be complete without having a taste of the Vigan Empanada. We had the privilege of meeting Ate, who gladly showed us how it is made.
Ba't mo siya naging brown? Inad-ad lang po na papaya. Hindi nyo na niluto? Ginisa. Magkano ito yung empanada?
40 pesos lang.
40. Ito ay longganisa, hubad. Kaya pagsasama-samahin na lang siya. Yay! Baby! That's what you call empanada.
After our late lunch, we proceed to our hotel. We stayed at Hotel Veneto de Vigan, which is located in the core area of the Vigan Heritage Site. Since we are tired, we rested for a while and woke up just in time for the musical dancing fountain.
We're here at Plaza Salcedo with Jellogs 88. And we just finished watching the dancing fountain. It's around 15 minutes. 30 minutes. With like 6 or 7 songs. Something like that. So after the fountain, we're now here at the famous heritage village where most of the houses and establishments are still using the old architecture. Yeah.